Hi all, Mithun back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to explain about the tendering process actually. So tendering is a very common word. Being a quantity surveys and contract administrators, you might have went through those process also. So in this video, I'm explaining in a very basic way actually. I'm not going deep into construction industry and all. I'm taking a small example and explaining the tender process. Okay. So it's basically give a basic understanding about tendering process. That's my main concern. So tendering process. So I will tell you how it start actually. So I want to construct a home. Okay, I'm staying in Dubai now, so I need to build a home back in Kerala, India. So I'm not a civil engineer. I'm a mechanical engineer. So I don't know how to construct a building or design it. So I call my friend who's a civil engineer. I ask like, buddy, I need to construct a home at Kerala. So can you help me with the design? So he's my consultant. Okay, so my consultant, my friend, so he said okay, why not, I can provide a drawing for you. He prepared a drawing for me and give to me. So he could prepare 3D views and all, so it looks good. I said I'm very happy with it. Dude, I can pay you some amount of money. Can you prepare a BOQ for me? BOQ means you list out all items and quantity, so that I can send it to one contractor and get price. He said not a problem. So he said I can do that. So he prepared a BOQ for me. He listed out all the items whichever in the building, like this is a cement, rebar, tile, marbles, pipe, light fittings, all he listed out and give to me. Okay, then I decided like I need to decide like which brand of cement to be used, which brand of pipe to be used, which light fitting to be used. So I take a piece of paper and write down like my cement should be ambuja cement or whatever cement. The rebar should be by TMT rebar. Then I decide like Italian marble should be purchased, sanitary ware should be purchased, this item. So I list all those items. So I got a drawing from my friend. He may be okay also. So I write specification by myself. So my tender package is almost ready. Okay, so I'm just opening my laptop, open a folder, I put the drawing, I put the specification, I put the BOQ which my friend gave me, and that piece of paper I scan it and put in the folder. So this is my specification. Okay, so drawing, specification, BOQ I have in my folder. So I thought like I need to have a contract also, a form of contract, then only when I'm issuing the contractor, there should be a contract. So I write my first party Mithun, second party the other company. Then we are entering to a contract to construct a home for Mithun. This is the payment, this is the duration for the project, and this is the quality required. That's it. Only 5 points I put and include that also into the tender package. So I have my tender package ready now. Okay, so now it's just matter of issuing tender package only. So I drawings, specifications, contract, everything I put in that folder, and I said tender package is ready. But now I need to give some instruction to tenders. Okay, like tender will be issued to you in this date, and I want you to submit back in this date. If any queries, you have to ask me like this format, and you have to consider all the costs. You shouldn't exclude anything. So I write down all those things and put that also. That is called ITT or ITB, instruction to tender. Okay, so I have a ITT, form of contract. I have drawing, specification, and BOQ. So my tender package is ready with me. So my next step is like finding a right contractor. So I will ask my friends, dude, just suggest me some contractors so I can approach to construct a building for myself. They will suggest you some contractors as per their experience. You can also done a market study and all. Okay, so you will get some list from your friends, and you also find some contractors. For example, you got 10 people's list. Okay, and mail IDs. The first step is like before issue 10 before the process, you have to ask them, mail them or ask them, hi guys, I'm going to construct a building, are you interested to participate? Or you write down, hi guys, I'm constructing a building, are you interested to participate? They will tell you like yes, I'm interested or not interested. This is called seeking expression of interest. So I send a mail to 10 people, are you interested? But only 5 people send back, yes, we are interested. 5 people said, no, we are not ready, regret. So I got regret mail also. I'm fine. So whoever send interest, like 5 people, I send this RFP document. Okay, I told like, guys, this is the RFP document. I want you to go through and provide me the proposal within 1 month or within 3 weeks. I need a proposal. This 3 weeks or 1 month, whatever you mention, is your tender period actually. So you send the tender, okay, and you plot the RFP and you're waiting for the proposal. Then you have some new ideas. I think I need to have a swimming pool and a 2 car parking for me. So you told your friend who made a design for you. He call him and tell, buddy, can you just redesign it and add a swimming pool and a 2 car park? He said, why not? I can do that. So he redesigned it and add a swimming pool provision and 2 car park, and he sent to me. So now I need to send this to my tenders, contractors. So I send I to all, whoever I send initial invitation or initial RFP document, I send this new design to all of them. The 5 people, whoever I sent previous RFP, I send this new design to them. This is called tender addendum. So I will send this tender addendum and tell, guys, there are some changes from the previous design, so I adding 1 swimming pool and 2 car design. So this is your new design, please submit a proposal as per the new design. So tender addendum is gone. So I'm again waiting for my proposal to come back. Now one of the contractor may ask you, hi Mithun, I have a doubt. Do you want a tile or a marble? You mentioned it as a marble only. I agree that. But what do you think we can use a beautiful tile instead of that? This is called TQ, tender queries. Then I will reply back, no, I want marble only. So when I'm replying back, I will reply to all without mentioning the meaning, because all the parties should be aware of that. Another example you will understand. Then one of the other party asked a technical question. Midun, you mentioned this light fitting. I can recommend a light fitting which has equal quality of that and less value, less amount of money. And he will mention that in a brand also. Then I will write down, yes, you can use it. The TQ sheet will be blank, one Excel sheet, query and answer. That's it. So then I will send back this TQ not only to that contractor but all the contractors. So all the contractors know that okay, I can use the other light fitting. So this is called TQ or tender queries. So moving forward, my cutoff date is reached. All the parties submit the contract tender. Okay, so I have 5 tenders from all the 5 bidders or tenderers. I will open this tenders in single day. Okay, same time actually. So me and wife will sit. She will open the laptop. She open the laptop and I will open the first bid. Okay, bidder A or contractor A, he proposed 20 lakhs. Bidder B proposed 30 lakhs. C 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs, like that. So we will write down all those things, like this is a initial value. So this is A, B, C, D contractors, 20, 40, 50 lakhs. And we will compare it also. It's called tender study or whatever you can call. Okay, I'm not going too deep into it, because initially you will review all the BOQ pages and you will check in any exclusion, any qualification, everything. Exclusion means one of the contractor, for example, he mentioned swimming pool is excluded from my scope. So if you look into bottom line figure, his figure will be lesser, but he is excluded that. All this kind of exclusions and assumption and the qualification you have to check, and you have to ensure everything covered in the contract. Now what you do is, like, you got the proposal, then you find that some one bidder's proposal, you understand something is missing. So you'll ask him, dear tenderers, can you confirm this light fitting and sanitary ware is included in your scope? I will send this to the tenderer. This is called PTC, post tender clarification. So I will send this to the tenderer and he will said, yes, it's included in my offer. So he clarified. So it's called PTC. So there will be a few round of PTC, a clarification will be there, and you come to a final position which you can select. Now you will ask for a discount. So you will ask, thank you tenderers, I will request you for a best and final offer. So all the tenderers will come up with the best and final offer. You will review that, and whichever you find, you will, it may not be that lowest is your best. Okay, best final offer means, I will like put in another way actually. So you got buffer from all the 5 bidders and one contractor which you prefer to work with. He had good reputation, he had a good coordination, he's good cooperative attitude also, but his value is not L1. Not, he's not the lowest one, he's bit above actually. But you decide like I'm going with him only because he's a good contractor. Okay, so this is called BAFO, best and final offer. Again, one more is the LAFO. So after BAFO, you decide like, you will approach like, see, I need to go with you only, but your rate is bit high. But you can if you reconsider, I can give you the contract. So give me LAFO, last and final offer. Okay, that is the final discount value you will get, and you will engage into contract. So you will get LAFO also. You're happy with LAFO. Now what next is like issue a contract or LOA. So you issue a contract and the contract started. So this is all about tendering process actually. So what I'm going to do is like, now I explain the basics. I will show you in a PowerPoint or a folder by folder how it will work in actual construction process. Now I explained only basic home construction, which a very basic example. So I'll explain you with the format, everything in actual construction process. Okay, thank you.